Good morning, all you miners out there. Hope you're all having a well and a fantastic day wherever you guys are. Good freaking morning, or good evening, good night, whenever you're watching this, right? So, what is up, guys? I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I know I did. Of course, if you participated in the Nhash poker tournament that we took part in on Saturday, thank you for participating. If you were a winner, congrats. If you knocked me out and you are the person that took my bounty, congratulations to you as well. I greatly appreciate everyone, and of course I appreciate the Nhash team and our boy Yashnik for helping put that on and letting me be the host, the facilitator of streaming the event. It's quite a challenge at times, especially when you have 233 people playing. It is quite wild. So guys, make sure you put the like button. I would appreciate it. Subscribe button, that bell notification before you go anywhere. And let's dig into today's video. Alright. So we actually got ourselves some packages. One of them is actually this right here on screen, which hopefully what's in this box. Super nice knife that I got for Christmas. Hand forged here locally. It is super sharp, and it is made from Damascus, or it is made with Damascus pattern, not from Damascus, but it's a Damascus type pattern. So these are just some 3 terabyte drives. I should have one more of these. Like, I bought 4 in 2 different groups. So I should have another one. I was actually waiting for the rest of them to come. I have like 3 more packages that were supposed to be here, but due to weather and other issues, they've had problems with delivering things on time. So, kind of a bummer, but we're going to go ahead and make this video, and we'll just make another video whenever the rest of the stuff comes in. So, of course, here we go. Just some really easy 3 terabyte drives. These ones are just, like it says, the Hitachi drives, 7.2K. Pretty much brand new. Using these for the proof of useful work rig or machine that we have been building. These are kind of the last bit of pieces that I was needing for that, and I am going to get this now. I can get that up and running. The only piece that I have missing is I bought a Gen 3 version 3 2969 Xenon processor to place back in this drive for 18 cores, or for 12 core, or no, 18 cores, 16 threads, if I'm not mistaken. That is what I'm going to be putting into that machine eventually. Waiting for that to come in, and we will be upgrading the GPU from a 1080 Ti, or from 1080 to a 2080 Ti. So we will be doing a major upgrade on the GPU for that machine, so that way it can perform accordingly, right? But these drives were for that. I was hoping that maybe they all came together, but it looks like they didn't. So we were still waiting on 6 more terabytes of drive space. So we would have a total of 12 terabytes of drive. 3 of them are for the machine, so 9 terabytes total for the machine. And then I have the third terabyte is actually for a Quai node, and yeah, that's coming up here soon. But that they didn't come in, so hopefully everything's good and gravy. I haven't received any kind of like shipping information from them. They are sold out now, so I hopefully that maybe I get them back. I don't think that it's even taken the money out of my account yet. So maybe they ran out before they could ship my order. That's a possibility. Hopefully not, because it was a dang good deal for those. It was only $25 for those per drive, and I think I paid $39 total. Yeah, I paid $39 total for all of those drives, or for those two. So for 6 terabytes, which is a really good deal. I have not found that deal elsewhere, so that's why I bought all of them there. But maybe it doesn't look like we're gonna get the other ones. Boo. But also, we did get another package from our boy Throughput Mining. He sent us over a pretty FA piece of hardware. If anyone is curious, it is one of these right here. So we got one of these thanks to our boy over at Throughput Mining. So shout out to him. I'll have some links coming out here soon for stuff for him. He could potentially be helping people source some hardware and cables, things like that. So if you need power cables, he would be your guy right now. It's a pretty shout out FA to him. But here it is. He knew that we were looking for one of these. He actually went ahead and sent us one over. So shout out to that guy for sending that over to us. And yeah, freaking cool. We'll have a full unboxing video that should be coming out. We'll have that for Wednesday's video. I'll get this unboxed and set up because I need to do that like ASAP, since I will not be leaving anywhere, since we will be frozen into our house today. We are. It is frozen solid outside. So that is a for sure note that it is frozen solid. So we did end up getting one of those Helium mobile hotspot 5G hotspots. Now the trick for earning on these is actually pushing data through them. So it is recommended to connect something to this thing. So DJ, if you're watching this, connect something to yours, man. Give it some data. It needs data to earn. You may get like basic rewards, but connect something that uses a lot of data. Connect like a mini PC, or if you got a kid's laptop or a kid's phone, connect that to it or something. Something that's going to be pushing a lot of data through it. I know one guy that actually connects like a mini PC to his that has like Wi-Fi, and he runs 4K videos all day long through it, giving it data. So that is one way to do it. Not that I recommend that. I'm going to connect some of my Wi-Fi miners to it. That way it has packets going in and out constantly. And we'll kind of see how that plays out. Now, if you do have one of these, or if you're actually looking for one of these, I do recommend you look at the Helium coverage planner. All right. So as you can see in my area, I will be installing it in this, somewhere in this gigantic circle, right? And as you can see, there are no blue dots inside of the circle. So I will be the only dot, maybe. As you just get closer in, there's a few here and there, right? Like kind of over here. But not a lot. The coverage for Oklahoma City is terrible for these. If I had a 5G CBR radio, I would actually be doing really well. I could do really well. But currently it looks like I'm going to earn about 866 mobile per day. And that is going to be based upon a 24-hour period and using the full amount of data through the device. Yeah, 30 gigabytes a month is your... We'll see how the earnings kind of stack up against this. And it has no boosted coverage, so we'll have to see if that will affect anything. They said that that's going to vary upon like usage. I do have like a Helium mobile like phone like plan, and that still earns me a good amount of mobile a day. So I'm going to connect this thing to its Wi-Fi so that way all the Helium stuff stays together, and we'll see how that kind of does. That way you can learn more about it as we do the thing, right? Show some love, share this video, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'd greatly appreciate it. We will catch you on the flip side, and remember, keep on mining, stay warm, stay frosty, much love, peace out, stay savage. We'll see y'all next time.